Y'all might think I'm tripping with this one, but I've seen a lot of this happen with people I know, people I love, people I respect, people I care about, people I didn't know. What about being that relative, that one relative, that when somebody in the family needs something, you're that go-to relative? Y'all might think I'm crazy. Don't nobody want to be that go-to relative because they don't want to get their money. But we've been saving all this time. We've been putting money away all this time. That notice I use the word give. I want to be that relative that I'm able to give a needy family member money. I didn't say loan it to them. I don't expect, now if they come back to give it, I'm not going to say, no, don't worry about it. I'm just going to put it in a stash in case they need it again. Or whoever needs it. Because I wasn't expecting that back. I want to be that person. Am I that person? I know, but I want to be that person. But that's keeping me on track now. Because you know anybody ever just dodged and didn't want to be that person? That person that one family member that everybody come to for money.
I am that family member that everybody comes to for money.
Oh, you are that family member. So, okay, family member that everybody come to. I have a question because I'm not that family member.
Hmm.
When you give, if you give, I'm assuming you do, if they keep, you are that family member. When you give, not if, when you decide to give, does it come along with a training session or a words of wisdom when you give, or do you
Well,
just send them the money and they take off?
it depends on who it is. But yeah, I mean, no, they don't hear a speech or anything like that unless I know you're just not doing what you're supposed to be doing in life.